Children, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nursery class, welcome back once again to your English class. In the previous class, I taught you some animals' names. Now, in today's class, I am going to dictate A sound words, and you all have to write it in your 4-line copy. So, get ready with your 4-line copy, eraser, and pencil. I am going to dictate the words and you have to write those words in your copy. Okay, so first word is man. You have to write man in your copy. Man. Man. Have you written man? Now next word is mat. Mat. Have you written mat? Next word is tap. 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 Have you written tap? Next word is cat. Cat. Have you all written cat? Now next word is cap. 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 Now next word is bat. Bat. Have you all written bat? Next word is hat. Hat. Have you all written hat? Next word is van. Van. Have you all written van? Now next word is pan. 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 And next word is bag. Bag. Once again I am dictating you these words. See whether you have written or not. First is man, mat, tap, cat, cap, bat, hat, van, pan, bag. Now now I am writing the same words and you will see whether you have written it correct or not. Okay, first word was man. M A N, man. If you have written man like this, put a tick over here there, otherwise put a cross. Cross is like this and tick is like this. Okay, next word is mat. M-A-T, mat. If you have written mat like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Next word is cat. C-A-T, cat. If you have written cat like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Next word is cap. C-A-P, cap. If you have written cap like this, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next word is bat. Oh, sorry, I have missed one word, that is tap. T A P, tap. If you have written tap like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Next word is bat. If you are written bat like this, BAT, bat, put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next word is hat. If you have written hat like this, HAT, hat, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Next word is van. If you have written VAN, van, like this, then put a tick there, otherwise put a cross. Next word is pan. PAN, pan. If you have written like this, then put a tick, otherwise put a cross. Next word is bag. BAG, bag. If you have written bag like this, put a tick over there, otherwise put a cross. Man, mat, cat, cap, tap, bat, hat, van, pan and bag. So children, you have seen today I have dictated you some A sound words. Okay, do the practice of dictation at home. Okay, next I will teach you in the next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.